In this video, we will show you which warehouse management functionalities Sylius offers for the commercial version, Sylius Plus. At the very beginning, let's locate the Inventory tab. In this panel, you can locate all the warehouses available in your company. In this recording, we are using 4 of them. Now go to the Products tab and select any product. For example, we will select the product Basic Regular Jeans for this video. Then, click on the Edit button. As you can see, our Fashion Plus web store sales channel is active. Click on the Manage Variants and the List Variants buttons. You will see the available variants of the product. Select one of them and click the Edit button. On the left side of the panel, click on the Inventory button to check the number of available pieces of a particular product in stock. As you can see, there are 4 warehouses available. We will be focusing on the warehouse located in Hamburg and Lyon. For this recording, we will change the status of the available product in a given variant to a count of 0, so you can see the change. Let's accept the changes and see how does it present on the website. Get back to your product and select the Show Product in Shop Page button. As you can see, our product is no longer available. To change that, let's move on to the Manage Variants dashboard of the selected product. Choose List Variants once again. In the next step, click the Edit option next to the variant you want to implement the changes. Then, go to the Inventory tab and make changes to the warehouses you are interested. Hamburg and Lyon. After that, present the changes on the shop page. Now, you can make an order.